This is the CareCo Viper, a self-propelling, low-maintenance wheelchair that'll give you that extra level of independence that you're looking for. This chair has durable construction, so it keeps you feeling safe, stable and comfortable. It's got a slightly higher carry weight, but it does mean a smoother ride. It's low maintenance, with easy-to-wipe seats and solid tyres that offer years of use. It also folds away widthways to a compact shape for transportation. It's got a spacious pocket at the back of the seat to keep all those essential bits and pieces with you. Also, the footrests will fold up and down and also give you that added comfort of heel support. The CareCo Viper, a self-propelling, low-maintenance wheelchair which is available now online, on tablet, on mobile, in store, or give us a call.